Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Alright, y'all. So today is the next day. I am getting ready to run to the store right quick because making tacos and I guess fajitas later. So we need some more soft shell. So getting some of that and some trash bags and a couple of items I need. So running to do that before I go to work. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on today. I am going to start preparing myself mentally because my birthday is Sunday, and I'm going to do a separate video where it's going to be like my self-care, staycation, year 35 reset. So I do got a hair appointment tomorrow for that, so y'all going to see that. So this video is probably going to be like a start of my 75 hard slash prep for my staycation for my 35th birthday, which I am taking as a mental reset. So that's my goal, just taking time to myself and having like a mental reset. So yeah, but anywho, let me get to the store, get those items I need to get back to the house. It's almost 1 o'clock. I gotta work at 2:30. So yeah, this vlogging on my phone because I left my digi in the house and I was like, I'm not going back. I'm just gonna use my phone. So yeah, so I'll be back. So I am leaving Publix. I didn't film inside, but I did get what I need. I had got a coupon with Publix. They have like a little thing you put your phone number in, get coupons and deals, and sometimes you get $5 off your groceries, whatever you get. So when I pulled up, it showed me that I can get a bouquet of cat flowers. I think it says my anniversary. I think it's because of my birthday, but I couldn't find the brand of flower that said it was free. So I was like, I have to the 28th to use it. So I will come and get me a floral bouquet of flowers for my birthday. What else? I got the soft tacos, tortillas. I got the trash bags that was needed. I got my hair, nails, and skin vitamins real because today I used the rest of those. And what else I got? I got the bananas and apples. So that's all I got from Publix. So right now I'm just going back home, and I got working about an hour, so I'm just gonna chill out for the hour. I may read my book, so I may do that and just meditate till I get ready to start work. So that's pretty much what's going on. It's hot, y'all. It says it's 85 degrees. Anywho, let me get to the house. I'll be back. Hey guys, good morning. It is Wednesday and I'm getting ready to get my hair braided down for my wig. At my appointment, I got it is 10:38. I gotta be there till 11, so I just got here a little early to make sure that I got here. And I was gonna stop by the bank and get some cash, but she said she take Apple Pay, so I'm just gonna Apple Pay her. I brought my wig to make sure that it's kind of like the right measurements, because like I said, the wig is good. It's just the braid down that I have an issue with. So she's gonna braid me down. And then I gotta get my emission test. I may go across the street and get my emission test so I can get my tag on my car, because I need to go get my tag. So, and I need to get the emissions done. So gotta do that. But yeah, this is the before. I did bring a hat because I gotta go to the mission place and probably get something to eat, and my hair is gonna be on the braid down. So I bought me my cap to put on just to do my earrings. But yeah, just checking in with you guys. I actually forgot my digi pocket again, so you're on my phone. I was gonna try to actually vlog, but I lost track of time and I actually forgot it on my bed. So but yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So let me chill for a second before I actually go in for my appointment.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. I want you and need you to be. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Hope all is well. Did I? No, it's never here. But it's not here. Where's my phone? Hold on. I am back. I had to go in the house to get my phone. I had forgot it. So, it is year 35. And this is my birthday weekend. So, I'm just doing a lot of self-care things. Things that I want to do. And just like a mental break as well. So, first thing first for the weekend. Today's Friday. I'm going to get my permanent ankle bracelet, something that I've been wanting to do. So I'm just trying to get the address in. It says it's 32 minutes away, so let's get started. It says I should be there by 12:22, and I should be there by 12:22, and my appointment's at 1. So yeah, so we just getting shenanigans. Y'all just saw me wash my face. Not too much get ready for today, but get ready for today. So now I'm just doing this. This is all I really got today to really do. I may meet up with some friends, but I don't know. Kind of winging it today. Tomorrow, I do got a hotel room downtown for my actual birthday for the weekend, for Saturday and Sunday. So I check in tomorrow, so I gotta do that tomorrow. Yeah. And my birthday, y'all see what I actually do on my birthday. I do plan on going to the aquarium, the Georgia Aquarium. So I've never been there before. On the aquarium I've been, I don't even remember that, was the Tennessee Aquarium. So yeah, but I don't want to ramble too much in this part right here. So I'll get to you guys when I get to. So where I'm going is that's Punt City Market. That's where the girls is. So yeah, I'm sure if I'm going to be able to vlog her actually doing it and choosing it out, but I'm going to try. But yeah, let's go.
Proceed to the route.
All right, y'all, I am parked and I am headed to get my permanent bracelet. I got the walking directions in my hand, but yeah, let me show y'all Punt City Market. Hold on. So this is like Punt City Market. So I actually have to walk to inside the city market to get to where I need to go. It says I'm 460 feet, so it's currently 12:37. So still kind of early. I got like 25 minutes. So I paid for parking 2 hours. I may just go look at some stores while I'm here. So alright, so I see where I need to be. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right there, the city supply. So let me go in and see if they can take me now, or I have to wait till 1 o'clock. So hold on. All right, so that wasn't it. I'm going, she said it was inside the actual city market. So let's see. Let me get with you guys when I actually get to where I need to go. Let me take these glasses off too. I'll be back, y'all.
Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Jerome Fandle.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes.
I am done getting my. Y'all going down? Okay. It's a little humid outside to give yourself a little break.
Yes, it is.
That's Atlanta weather for you.
Yeah.
But it said with the last week it's supposed to rain all the way to this week straight, but it did.
It's doing its own thing.
Yeah.
I'm grateful when it stops.
Yeah. But the thing, I know it's gonna hit 90s and 100. That's what I don't want. Yeah, that's what I don't want.
I know. Try not to think about it.
I'm trying not to. Have a nice day. Thank you. So, I'm done getting my ankle bracelet, and I'm headed to, because I parked right in front of where Sephora is. I do want to go in there and see what they got, and just so I can look around. And it's also my birthday, so I need to get my birthday gift. So, I can do that when I'm right here. So yeah, it feels nice, like a little breeze walking past it. Yeah, I like my ankle bracelet. I'm gonna show you guys probably when I get home what it looks like, but I do like it. And the Punt, this is my first time really coming to Punt City Market, crazy enough. But I supposed to came here like 2 years ago. I was with my friend, he was met me here, we supposed to went to the rooftop, but that never panned out, so yeah. Let me go to Sephora and see what I see, and I'll be back with you guys.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot you love me. You love me. You love me.
So I am leaving the Sephora. I'm gonna try to get in my car and show y'all guys what I got from Sephora. I had some points and I just got a couple of things. So yeah, and I got my birthday gift. So that's pretty much what's going on. And I think this car behind me is gonna back up and try to take my spot. You'll see. It's hot. It's hot. But anywho, let me get y'all set up. But anywho, let me show y'all what I got. I'm stopped. For my birthday, I got the Lineage birthday. What else I got in my other boxes? I got some of this spray from like a refreshing spray I can put in my purse. That's what I got. What I'm about to do now is I'm thinking, do I want to stop by Target? But we're supposed to be on the ban for Target, so I don't supposed to go to Target. So I don't know. Let me look at my phone to see where I'm gonna go next, and then I'll figure that out, and then I'll be back with you guys.